Hi guys, great day. Welcome to Pearl TV at meron na naman tayo ngayong panibagong recipe na i-share sa inyo guys. Yung recipe ng puto cake with itlog na maalat toppings. Okay, so as you can see, I have there 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of milk. Okay, that is evaporated milk guys. And I have 3/4 cup of condensed milk. Ayan, 3/4 cup po siya. And then we have the vanilla. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then we have salted eggs and the raw eggs. Okay. And the other one is the 10 grams of butter. I'm going also to use the baking powder. Okay. So first things first, prepare a clean mixing bowl. Okay. Sift the flour. Okay. Ensure that the flour is sifted. As you can see, I'm doing it that way. Okay. Put salt. Okay. Yeah, we'll also be using salt. Half teaspoon of salt. Ayan. Sorry. Yeah. 1/2 teaspoon. Okay. That time I'm using the baking powder. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Okay, have video on wire whisk in order to mix the flour. Okay, so next use a clean mixing bowl and put the softened butter. Okay, so as you can see, I have softened the butter for at least an hour or at least a minute. Okay, and then afterwards you can add the 3/4 cup of condensed milk. Okay, so this is my own recipe guys. Okay, so 3/4 cup of condensed milk. Okay, so 2 eggs guys. To mix the ingredients. The 2 eggs. Put it first in a separate bowl to ensure that the egg is good before putting it in the mixture. Okay, so mix it all together guys. You can now add the vanilla. Half teaspoon of vanilla, okay? Once the wet ingredients are already combined, okay, it's time for the dry ingredients to be added to the ingredients, the mixture. Okay, so as you can see, gradually add the sifted all-purpose flour together with the baking powder and the salt. Okay, so guys, do it so gradually, guys. Ayan, dahan-dahan nyo lang guys na i-mix guys. Huwag nyo i-overmix. Okay. Ayan guys, i-ready nyo na din guys yung itlog na maalat guys. Ganyan yung paraan ng pag-ano nyan. Itlog na maalat. Chop nyo siya ganyan. Tapos, kukunin natin yung ano nyo. Okay. Ayan guys, i-check nyo guys yung loob niya. Ayan. Pwede din kayo gumamit ng toothpick kung hindi nyo feel kainin. Pero ako ginamitan ko na, binuksan ko na. Kasi gusto ko tikman yung lasa. At perfect nga guys yung lasa niya. Hindi siya masyadong matamis, hindi siya maalat. Sakto lang. Tapos yung itlog na maalat, medyo nabawasan na yung alat niya. Kasi sobrang alat kasi ng itlog na maalat na yan eh. Kaya nga sabi ko ilagay ko sa topping sa puto cake. Ayan. So, sikan-sikis talagang masarap siya guys. So, ganda din guys yung so, diba? Masarap siya. It's special also. Pwede nyo din ipang negosyo yan guys kung gusto nyo. Okay, so abangan na yun din guys ang ating mga parating pang cooking tutorial para magkaroon na naman kayo ng panibagong idea para sa inyong food home business. Okay? So, huwag pong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe at share at i-hit ang notification bell para updated kayo lagi tuwing nag-upload ako ng mga video na cover button.